Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deepo and I'm a beauty influencer. If you are new here on this channel, please subscribe, like and comment on my channel. And don't forget to press bell icon. Today's look is for Republic Day. So this is my Republic Day look. So let's get started. I have applied my everyday skincare and I will mention all my product in description box down below. Here I am applying my Revlon Prime Plus Smoothing Primer. It has vitamin B5 and hyaluronic acid which improves skin over the time. As you all know, eyelid primers are very important to keep the eyeshadow on the place for a long time and make the color more vibrant. PHA Tropicana Club eyeshadow palette is one of my favorites. The colors are very pigmented. To make the Indian flag look, first time applying saffron color on top of my eyelid. Blending it with Morphe eyeshadow blending brush. I'll keep applying it until I get right intensity. NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil shade Milky Way as my middle part. No need to be too perfect. I'm going to smudge the edges with my fingers. And again, a little bit of saffron color eyeshadow to cover it, all the edges. I'm using Models Prefer Infinity Color Eye Pencil shade Lime Tart as my green color. This pencil is a little bit glittery and very creamy. I always like a little bit of glitter on my eyes. So I'm using Chi Glitter Eyeliner shade Stardust and applying it on my crease. A bit of blink blink. Let it set for a few minutes, otherwise it will smudge all over your eyelid. I'm using a very thin layer of eyeliner to give a bit of definition and the shape to my eyes. I have finished my eyes off the camera with Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit. So it's time for foundation. I'm using my all-time favorite True Match from L'Oreal Paris. Shake it. Maybelline Erase Formula as my concealer. This is the shade Medium 130 Mayon, and I like this color on me. It highlights my face and conceal my under eyes as well, hiding my dark circle. Time to give a shading to my face. So as I'm always using my Sephora sculpt stick, that is Mayon again, medium, and I'm going to draw some shading on my face. using the same beauty blender and using the other side, which is the clean one. I'm dabbing it, not dragging all the way, kind of pushing it in and trying to smudge around all my edges so it won't look like very sharp edges. My pressed powder, which is universal from Fenty Beauty. I'm going to use a brush and pressing everything on the place, especially all my conceal area. This is from NARS Orgasm. I'm going to shake it well and putting right on my apple of my cheeks. Yeah, and using this 2 finger, smile like you got a lottery. So I'm going to fill up my eyebrows, precisely my brow from Benefit shade 6. The Gimme Pro, it has a microfibers, so it can fill in my eyebrows and sets everything on the place. It's a tinted gel. It sets everything on the place for 24 hours. It's water resistant and I like the way it sets everything on the place. NYX. And by the way, this is the shade Vintage Retro. And it's time for lip. Fenty Beauty Lip and Cuff. So this is my final look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. See you all next week. Bye.